Hi everyone, this is Partha from Mockat. In this WAT-PI series, we will be sharing 5 important news of the day. If you want to read the full news, it is in mockat.com and in the description and also in the first pinned comment. Please take a look on this. The headlines of today's news are IMF praises India's fiscal policy, RBI's monetary policy. The key highlights of Telecommunications Bill 2023. India does not have an innovation problem. World Bank says that with $125 billion, India remains top spot in inward remittances. Savitri Jindal is fifth richest Indian and richest woman from the subcontinent. In this article, IMF praises India's fiscal policy, RBI monetary policy. The IMF has commended Indian authorities for strong economic performance and has suggested structural reforms for faster and more sustainable growth. IMF projects the Indian economy to grow by 6.3%, which is slightly below the government's forecast. The Indian government aims to reduce the fiscal deficit with a target of 4.5% of GDP by 2025 to 26. IMF acknowledges reduced headline inflation and commends RBI's proactive measures. Concerns about inflation volatility still persist with the November rate at 5.5%. RBI's current neutral policy stance is expected to gradually bring inflation back to target. This article is about the key highlights of Telecommunications Bill 2023. This bill indicates areas where spectrum needs to be allocated through auctions and an administrative process. TRAI will continue to be supreme on matters related to tariffs and policy making areas. The government will continue to first seek its recommendations. Government adopts a handoff approach to telecom firms like Vodafone Idea to manage independently without specific revival packages. Changes in the bill collectively signal a significant step towards creating a dynamic, secure, and forward-looking telecom environment in India. This article is about the innovation problem that Indian companies have. Top Indian companies spent only 0.3% of net sales on R&D and indicating a lack of innovation focus. India's gross expenditure on R&D to GDP ratio is 0.64%, much lower than China's and US. There is a link between R&D spending and per capita GDP. Increasing R&D investment may help achieve PM Modi's goal of high income status by 2047. This article is about India retains top spot in inward remittances. Inward remittances to India increased by 12.3% to $125 billion in 2023, constituting 3.4% of the GDP. Remittances to low and middle income countries grew 3.8% in 2023. Contributing factors include declining inflation and robust labor markets in high-income source countries, especially in United States, United Kingdom, and Singapore. The Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC), especially the United Arab Emirates, contributed significantly, accounting for 18% of India's total remittances. Remittance outlook for India in 2024 is strong, with expected growth moderating to 8%, reaching $135 billion. This article is about India's billionaires list. Savitri Jindal, India's richest woman, has seen the highest net worth increase of $9.6 billion, much more than even Ambani's or Birla's. The 73-year-old widow of Om Prakash Jindal, with her net worth at $25.3 billion, is the fifth richest Indian. After Jindal, HCL Tech Shivnadar is at number 2, with an increase of about $8 billion in the year. KP Singh of DLF added another $7 billion to his wealth. Ambani's wealth rose another $5.2 billion, while the Sun Pharma MD Dilip Sanghavi's went up by another 4.7 billion. Gautam Adani is the only Indian in the list whose fortunes did not increase in 2023. These are the 5 articles of today. You can find these articles on mockat.com news section. and in the description and also in the first pinned comment. If you like this video, please do subscribe. We will be posting more useful videos like this, which will be really useful for your WAT-PI preparation. Thank you.